do not know what this guy was on, if it was crack, if he had too many pickles in his sandwich, if his undies are riding up his crotch and getting tangled in his vagina. I don't know. It's unacceptable what the hell this idiot was doing. To think that you can come up to someone and push the weight down when they're in the middle of a heavy deadlift is fucking absurd. It's a part of your body, you know. Literally, when I'm deadlifting and picking heavy weight off the ground, I'm literally holding all of that weight in my back. So to even think about touching anyone when they're doing a deadlift is absolutely ridiculous. To come and stomp on the bar when someone's deadlifting is just insane. If it were me, if I was deadlifting and you came and I was deadlifting close to my max or doing a heavy set and you came and kicked the bar or put your weight on the bar, I'd literally be wrapping that bar around your head. I don't give a fuck who you are. That is completely ridiculous to do that to someone. Whatever your rules are in the gym, I don't know. He had mats down, he was making some noise, all good. Just come up to him and politely tell him that he's doing the wrong thing, whatever. It's inexcusable. You, sir, gym instructor in Quebec, I don't know where the hell it is, you're a muppet, a gym muppet. Do not tolerate it, team. If you're lifting, making some noise, who gives a shit? You're in a gym, you're allowed to do it, it's perfectly fine. And don't take shit from anyone that is out there telling you that you can't do it or attacking you like that. So cheers, dude, for putting the video up, and fitness community, don't tolerate shit from muppets. Boom.